Probably should put this one on first. This is a long guy. All right, what I'm trying to make sure I get all the ones with edging first. We're going to use this one. God, I hate this log dog. This one is not like the other ones. So much slop in this one. We're going to take these right to 7, guys. Ouch, it fell off of. What do you call these brooms? I call them a foxtail broom. The people around here look at me funny when I say it. There's a few things I say around here, call things, and they look at me strange. I'm from the other side of the state. We call a slider on the other side of the state, we call it a door wall. They look at me like I'm from Mars when I call it a door wall around here. So this next batch of flitches, there's a couple of straight edges, but there's some waning still on them, so they're big enough, I'm gonna cut both sides. You'll see these here in a second coming up. What I'm doing is I'm kind of sorting these so they all work together. I need a little taller than that one yet too. Yeah, this will work. Let's get these on the, yeah. There's looks like about 3 here. There we go. Oh, I didn't get to these that quick. Got a little bit of moss, but they're gonna be planed. We're gonna scrape that off too before we sticker them as much as we can. Or mold, I should say. Maybe we can get all these last 3 big ones on there. Yeah, give us, I think, 8. No way. That's a win in my book, guys. I've never used it that way. You can hold those. Yep, that's what when I said holding them up, that would be all that I was talking about. All right. Now we got to flip each one of these. All right. Wow.
They're taped up good, so I said my problem is the first thing in the morning and it's actually when I'm not wearing any shoes. I said once I have my shoes on,
Right.
they do good. My one toe is the one that I hurt first is the one that gets aggravated the most.
You can push that pile back and forth.
Are you trying to do all of those today?
Oh, I'm going to do them all, yeah. Any of that I can get into deck boards, I'm doing. Let's see. It don't matter.
Going down or?
Nope. Just like that.
I just want to make sure before I started.
I see what it's hitting. Okay. Okay, that's good for right now. We don't want to get it too sharp. It's fine.
Yep, I was just counting.
If we can get them all up there without falling. Definitely have to cut some more off of that. She came out just in the nick of time. Great help. That's the job nobody likes to do. I don't even know how I'm gonna edit this video because it just takes a long time. We have, I think I got 2 hours into all that. 20 boards. However, the oak and oak board costs a lot. Now these are all gonna go through a planer, and these are gonna be pieces that as we run out. I did plan about 10% extra. So hopefully 10 to 20% extra waste will be enough to fill in the boards that are bad.
Right.
You know, that's, if we got one that has too many knots or a rot spot in it, we won't use that board. We'll let this set for the winter, and come springtime, we'll get to surface planing these and then run the router over all the edges.
And a new deck in the spring.
And a new deck in the spring.
Too bad Nick couldn't fly out. And do
Nick,
that
we need
with
you.
us.
We've got more. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you next time.
Have a good one. The sliders in the present, so I can. Yeah, you can. I can put the, like I said, I just have a tray of sliders to bring in gifts. It's not gonna take up that much. I'm gonna go make those. I can put them right on top of the car seat. Oh yeah.
I see that shit all the time. You get
There was 3 of them that went by yesterday.
That's all she wrote.